You ever feel like you're trapped behind a mountain, staring up at a peak you think you can't climb? Doubt, that feeling of impossibility, is a universal human experience. Imagine a tiny stream facing a massive boulder. It doesn't stop. It just finds a way around, carving a new path, relentlessly moving forward. I remember a time I hit rock bottom, failures piling up like broken bricks, feeling utterly defeated, convinced my dream was impossible. But just like Abraham Lincoln, who faced defeat after defeat, losing elections and failing in business, he kept rising, ultimately leading a nation. What if that obstacle isn't a wall, but a high door waiting for you to find the key, to push past the fear and see what's on the other side? A single oak tree doesn't grow mighty by standing still. It braves countless storms, its roots digging deeper with every challenge it endures. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. That moment is enough. It's in the persistent, messy, courageous act of taking the next step. So, take that first brave stride, challenge your limits, and dare to believe in the strength you haven't even fully discovered yet. Because when you conquer your own mountains, you light a path for others, showing them what's possible, inspiring a ripple effect of courage. The only way past the impossible is to walk through it. Go break through your impossible.